Hey guys, I'm Vongviset. Welcome back to Moral Kitchen. Today I have the privilege of introducing you Moral's very own Satanta Carol.
Thank you, Anne. I'm really excited to be here. And today we're going to cook up my favorite fitness meal, which is going to give you all the nutrients that you need to grow and recover after your workouts. This recipe contains 378 calories, of which 27 are carbs, 25 are protein, and 15 are fat.
Perfect, I'm really excited. So without further ado, let's get started.
Let's do it.
For this recipe, you're gonna need 1 tuna steak,
2 medium-sized sweet potatoes,
2 tablespoons of olive oil,
some parsley,
Montreal steak spice,
cinnamon,
and salt and pepper. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
Then wash, dry, and cut your potatoes lengthwise and across to get them looking like the fries.
Prepare a baking pan with aluminum foil and drizzle olive oil to prevent the potatoes from sticking to the foil when baking.
Spread the cooked potatoes evenly and season.
Let the sweet potatoes bake for 45 minutes until they're crispy.
While the potatoes are baking, preheat your skillet to high and add a tablespoon of olive oil.
Moderately season your tuna steaks with salt and pepper.
Then sear the tuna for 45 seconds on each side.
Plate the seared tuna and fries together. Serve with tartar sauce or horseradish and enjoy.
This turned out so well.
I know, I can't wait to dig in.
I know, me either.
Well, thank you so much for joining us. And you guys at home, thank you so much for watching. That's it for this week. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And tune in next week for a next healthy recipe.
And make sure you tune in every Wednesday to see my fitness videos.
All right, guys, we're gonna eat this now. You're gonna eat this.
Go for it.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh.
You did a good job. Yeah.
Ready to get started, so shall we? Sorry.
I like that idea. Let's eat.
Very nice!
Well, look at how this turned out.
Really well.
I know, I'm so excited to get in here.
It's like a fucking swimming pool. I just want to dive in and just bathe in this fucking tuna.
Well, thank you so much, Satanta.
That's my name. I'm just gonna change my name to Santana.
No, because
Just call me Yogi.
I don't know
Gordon.
why.
Gordon, Paul. What would you like, Paul?